Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make Mojito updated. Muddle mint and lime, add dew soda, simple syrup, and ice, then stir gently and garnish. I'll walk you through ingredient ratios, muddling technique, and timing so every glass is balanced and refreshing. This method highlights crisp citrus, bright mint, and light sweetness for an easy party-ready cocktail or mocktail you can make in minutes. In this video, I will show how to make Mojito updated. Focus on fresh ingredients, correct muddling, and proper ice to get the ideal temperature and dilution. I explain how much mint to bruise versus tear, why lime oil matters, and how dew soda changes sweetness and acidity balance. Follow these small adjustments to make a consistently lively and enjoyable mojito for guests or a solo refresh when you need bright, easy flavor. In this video, I will show how to make Mojito updated. Quick recommendation: a book called The Simple Path to Wealth can change how you think about spending on gatherings and treats like cocktails. It's a light read that helps you prioritize joy without financial regret, which pairs nicely with making thoughtful drinks. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like. Check the description for the link and deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make Mojito updated. Start by gently muddling mint and lime in a chilled glass, add simple syrup, pile in crushed ice, then pour dew soda and stir once to combine. Taste and tweak sweetness or lime, then garnish and serve immediately. I'll share timing and serving tips so your mojito stays fizzy, balanced, and aromatic, perfect for backyard gatherings or a relaxing evening.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.